So here let's take a look at adding a new client. So you can see this user John Scan has yet got no client added. So he simply goes to either add a new client here, or you can use the plus button up here. So let's go add a new client. This straight away brings you to the client profile page, and Pragmatic Tracker offers a pseudonym. You can overwrite this pseudonym or you can accept it. If you overwrite it, you can type in whatever it is that you want to have there. The referral date will default to today's date, and it's mandatory to tick the consent box. This is a way of demonstrating the fact that you've somehow communicated with your client and your intake process to explain that you're capturing data regarding their treatment within Pragmatic Tracker. If the data, the anonymous data from that client is going to be used for research purposes, here's the opportunity to create a filter for this here as well. Now, with the telephone and the email, there's a process of verification. The purpose of this is to ensure that Pragmatic Tracker is in fact communicating correctly with your client and not anybody else, or that the client is definitely receiving the messages and they're not going to junk or spam, etc. So how this works is you type in the client's phone number here, and you'll notice that the little tick turns red here, and if you hover over it, you'll see it says click to send verification text message. Now, once that is done, that message will be sent to that client's mobile phone number, and you can hear, using my own number here, how the messages come in. And once I know as a therapist that my client has received that test message, I can then tick the little square box, and this actually turns the tick green. The same process happens with the email address. Type in the email address, once again send a verification message, which will then arrive in my email inbox, and once it has arrived and the client can confirm that that's there, the box can then be ticked. Now you've got a preference system here for how the client would like to be communicated with: email and or SMS text or auto. Now some systems may not have SMS available to you, in which case you'll be limited with email. However, the auto allows Pragmatic Tracker to automatically communicate reminders about appointments and measures to be filled in before sessions or after sessions, working on the date and time that the session is actually being created. And you'll be able to read more about this elsewhere in the help system.